Right, we are loaded up, ready to go. Pondro got his Seinfeld edition. You see it. Aaron Pauly ready to rip. Okay. Want me to guide you out, Aaron?
Taste of culture.
What? Huh? Okay. Whose drinks are these?
That's a little bit red caution.
I see you. You see it. All right, we are finally loaded up. We're headed to Pennsylvania. It's actually been a pretty good couple of days. A lot of the times this just takes forever, and it's good. I got a lot of good help this year, and just very thankful for that. A lot of good people on board. If we could get a couple more sponsors, that'd be good. We're gonna keep digging on that too. But truck's ready to go. Aaron's here, Mark's here, Pondrio's here. We're picking up Andrew on the way. So we're ready to get this thing out of here. We've got new tires on the rig. She's tuned up. She's ready to go 13, 14 hours. So stay tuned, guys. I'll check back once we get to Pennsylvania. They're model citizens. All right, we are somewhere in Ohio. It's day 2. It's Ohio, right, Paulie? All right, yeah, it's day 2, and we are somewhere in Ohio at a truck stop. We were gonna go all the way through last night. We decided not to. So we're going into Love's to get a shower. It's loud out here. And one thing you don't realize when you're on the road racing and you sleep at these truck stops is you could get hit by one of these trucks while you're sleeping. We felt the truck. Look at that. Hot shot trailer right there. Pulling in and out. We had a nose in. What? What? What was that about?
The fuck?
Dude, you come out like a goblin. All right, I don't know if I'm gonna leave that in the video or not, but anyways, so we're in Ohio, we're in a truck stop. We got 7 hours to go. Racing ain't about just driving the car. It's all this other stuff. I'm not gonna go into it because I go into it in every video, but I'm just gonna say racing ain't easy, baby.
You did something?
Yep. Somebody knocked the whole front end off that bad boy. Sky looks cool though. Wow. I think I slept 3 hours last night. If that. So we're going in, we're gonna use Paulie's shower card. Take a shower, 3 S's, the S, shower and shave. Get on the road. Tune back in when I get there. All right, fresh shower, engaged, we are good. The sun is up, sky's blue today. I feel refreshed. I didn't sleep much last night. That's pretty typical on these road trips. Probably tonight after we race, we'll sleep, but a lot of these long road trips, it's hard to sleep. It's loud in these truck stops, a lot going on. Sometimes you don't know if someone's gonna knock on the door or what, so. But excited. Last 2 races, we've had 2 P4s. Gateway, we were scratching the podium. Kansas, we scratched the podium. Like, we were close, super close. So I'm hoping, last time we went to Port Royal, we were pretty bad. We've changed some stuff, some shocks, some setup stuff, tire work, motor. So we'll see kind of where we go from there. Hopefully we qualify somewhere in the top 8, get a good spot, try to run with these non-wing guys. They're hard, man. Like, trying to get more aggressive, but it's tough. So all these truckers are staring at me while I'm on the camera. So stay tuned, guys.
Hopefully they don't complain about the noise.
You probably have to be race fans.
Oh yeah, they were waving.
Probably the most desirable houses in town.
Oh yeah.
I think like 12.
Well, we're here. We're here. We're just gonna go to the look at the track before we open the trailer, just because we've been driving for 2 days. So just enjoy the sights and sounds, I guess. Going in here.
That big truck right there is an old guy that smoked cigarettes. They got a 2-piece racing suit.
Right there.
Guaranteed. Just angry all the time.
I don't think he's wrong about that. We're in I don't really know exactly what you call this, but this place is Port Royal. This racetrack's in Pennsylvania. It's a half-mile red clay, semi-banked. Pretty fast place, but it slicks off.
That's orange.
Yes. Wow. It's crazy when you come out here because it's actually way more banked than you would think it would be. So this will be my 3rd year here. Last year we struggled. I mean, we qualified 9th or 10th, but we struggled in the race. I think we were somewhere around 10th. Obviously tonight we're hoping for a much better result. But yeah, it's cool. It's fun to come race somewhere else that's not at home. It's also a little daunting because it's a long drive, and something happens, that's a long drive home. So, but you gotta leave that out of your head and just drive it. That's all you can do. So you can see out here, stands are super nice. Mountain range in the back, which is really cool. This dirt does not hold moisture at all. So by feature time, this place will be pretty slicked off. Like they run the non-wing cars and then the 410 sprints, so our features last normally, and the place blows off and gets real slick. It doesn't take rubber. It hasn't the last 2 years, but it gets pretty slick. I guess it's good and bad. I kind of wish it built a bigger curb so we could run. A lot of the non-wing guys will run around the top, bounce it off the fence. If we have to, we will, but it seems to be better if you can get your car set up for tighter and slick with traction. That's kind of where you want to be. So, all right, guys. I'll click back over when we get in the car.
I'm gonna grab him, Carson.
All right, guys, welcome back. Recap from the weekend. It was a long one. Roughly 26-hour drive from St. Louis to Port Royal or Pennsylvania. We got there. We made the drive straight through the night, and basically got there in the morning, prepared to race, unloaded the car, did all the general maintenance stuff. We were ready to go, and the rains came. So we kind of sat around. The track workers, USAC, everybody tried to make a good call. I think they did a great job. They tried. We had multiple patches or cells of rain come through and just couldn't get it in. So by the time we had got on the track to actually go qualify, hot lap qualify, we got like probably 8 laps in. Came back in, sitting there getting ready to go out to qualify, and all of a sudden it started to rain again. USAC came on override, said go to the trailer. I knew at that point, I was like, we better get this car loaded up because we've got 13 hours to get home. So hey, that's part of racing. If you're racing a traveling schedule or a national tour like we are, fortunately it's only 11 or 12 races and not like 50 like World of Outlaws or somebody. Or actually, I think they're 60 or 70. Luckily, we're not doing it as much as that, but still, it's a lot. It took a pretty big toll on the diesel bill this weekend. There was no winnings to come home to go back into the program. So tough deal. We got IRP on Thursday though, so today I'm unloading the dirt stuff. Unfortunately, it's dirty, which means I've got to wash it. Unloading the dirt stuff, it's going back in the shop, and now it's back to the pavement program. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for everybody that's watching. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Trying to get this channel back up and running to where it was before I lost time to do it. So we're kind of still don't have time, but I'm making time. Either way, thanks a bunch. Stay tuned. I will fill you in on the next thing here very shortly. Thanks.